Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, we got a couple of pasture-raised eggs. This is just some tomatoes, canned, some seasonings, and olive oil. Mike Foster here. Today I'm making eggs in tomato sauce. Eggs and tomatoes! It's fast, simple, and easy. And boy, is it delicious. The first thing we do is get the tomatoes seasoned and heated up, and we'll drop those eggs right in there. We'll see how this one works out. Meet you at the stove. All right, this is a medium pan. We're gonna put a little olive oil in there, oil. Now I'm gonna throw some of this tomato in here. These are a little mix of San Marzano and some of Chris Bianco's brand, which is delicious, by the way. Watch my video on which one is better. All right, to this we're gonna put some pepper. Season up just a little. You can use whatever seasonings you think would be good. I think pepper, a little salt, a little garlic powder, some onion powder, and just to give it a little Italian thought, a little oregano. We're gonna get this nice and warmed up and then drop those eggs in. This will take a minute or two. You can hear that flame. To this, just put one egg here. Let's put the other egg right there. All right. Now I'm gonna lower this to a simmer. Give a little pepper to the eggs and just a little salt. Once this is simmering, we're gonna cover it for a few minutes and then check it then. See you then. All right, it has been about 5 minutes. It takes a while to poach these, and they look beautiful. Oh yeah, there they are. Let's serve these babies up. Meet you at the counter. Boy, do those look good. That's the finished product. Just a little cheese. If you don't want cheese, don't put cheese in it. But there's your close-up. Big bite coming up. There we have it. These are eggs in tomato sauce. Let's bust one open. Oh yeah. How can it taste? I'll tell you how it tastes. Tastes delicious. Oh my gosh. I like a nice fried egg and tomato sandwich. This is getting all those sensations without the bread, without fresh sliced tomatoes. This is another way of doing it. There's a close-up. Absolutely delicious. Make this sometime. Good breakfast. Get some bread and dip it in there. Oh. The tomatoes are sweet. The egg is creamy. You know you got some protein there. The seasonings work. Check this one out. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my socials. Tell some people. Come on, spread the word. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365. Bianco versus San Marzano. Oh yeah, I got a video. Or oregano, as they say it in British. The British. That's a baby right there. And it's a sweet babu. Baba.